mommy.
I'm going to jump over that log. Okay? Can you go in the water yet?
Yeah.
Is that going to go in the water? Can I go in the water?
You want to?
Sure. Mom? Look at me. She said to go in the water. Hi, Globby, Globby, Globby. Hi, Globby.
Woo!
You're not going with that dog over there.
Lila.
Come on.
To be fair, that dog started it.
Yeah. That dog didn't like water.
She's never been around it, so she's taking getting used to.
Yeah.
You having fun? You gonna swim in the water?
You can get me now.
Lila. Turn around. Hey, let's get in the water.
Want to get him with
Here,
Lila?
honey, can you yell?
Don't drop my camera, I'll kill you.
Come on. Come here, Lila.
Go ahead, Mama. Get in the water.
Come on.
Look, she's like, over there. Lila, get
No, come on.
Get in a little.
It's a good girl. Oh, all right.
Yeah, we can do that.
Go, Mom.
Lila doesn't know what to do, what to think about the water. I am. Look at that butt. Hey Lila, what are you doing? I am.
You built a sandcastle for you help us rebuild the sandcastle, Dad?
Yeah, buddy.
Look, it's Caden's first trip to the beach.
Yeah.
We got to
Delilah's too. Where'd she go? There she is.
Lila, come here. Lila, she wants to Okay. Is your, you got your Kool-Aid?
I want another Kool-Aid.
You drank them all, pig. You want some water?
But Mom's...
Hey, Booby.
What?
Are you liking the beach?
Yeah.
Yeah. Daddy? Delilah hates it. She's stressing about everything. Other animals, people, the water. She does not like the water.
To the thing where they live because they don't want the water to get near Yaya.
She's okay, baby.
Quick, quick.
Jeremy's like trying to make her go in the water. You can go touch your feet in. Don't lose your trash. My boys.
Goodbye, Daddy. I don't want to go in the water anymore.
Why? I thought you liked it. He's not really gonna throw you. He was just kidding. Look at me. I love you.
I'm scared of water.
Why are you scared? You were out there swimming the whole time. You're not scared.
Mom, guess what?
what? That's it.
We're 22. We gotta waste. I'm so stoked about my Chris Pratt cup.
Away from here,
Just
Dad.
kidding, my dinosaur cup.
Daddy, pull me away from there.
Oh, be careful.
Okay.
Is it good? What'd you get?
It's a lot of butter.
Ew, it is, yeah. Let me see. What
Take
did
a
you
bite,
get?
buddy.
Can he have a bite first?
No.
You share with Daddy?
Think about.
Let me see you eat it. I haven't had mine yet. Get off.
Get a bite of it quick.
Is it yummy? Does that mean yes?
Yeah.
I got chocolate.
Here, buddy. Let me clean it off the side. You can stick your hand.
His eyes are like crazy.
Yay!
Liam and I are heading. Yo, mother. Such a shit. Liam and I are heading to my brother's house. We're gonna go over for a game night. Yep, maybe Noah's house. We're gonna go over and my nephew's over there with my brother. It's his night to have him. And we're gonna hang out and play some games. Liam's been dying to play Candyland with my mom. And I brought Uno and I'm gonna try to con my brother into playing with me. So Jeremy has to work on the Jeep. Yeah, hang on. Alright, hang on. Jeremy has to finish working on something for the Jeep. So he's doing that. And he might join us later if it doesn't run him too long doing that. And yeah, so it's gonna be a pretty chill night. Figured games, snacks, hanging out with the family. It's been a really nice Saturday from like our first family beach day. Like we've taken Liam to the beach a couple times, but like we've never been like all of us and Delilah, so that was really nice. And Liam wants to vlog, so.
So, guys, we took Yaya to the beach because I know Yaya would like that. So we took her to the beach. So thought she would like that. And we walked her out the house so we get ice cream. And then, guess what? We had to come back home. And now we have to then head to these now. I want to say I can go to Grandma's and play. That was great.
Looking at himself.
Hey!
She's probably under the deck. She wasn't anything else. Sunny's put up. Wait, Noah. Penny's over here.
And now let's show Aunt Sarah the kissing. Hey, you.
He's looking at himself in the camera. He's conceited.
Which kid in the family isn't?
Hey, she didn't notice how weedy eats the shit out of stuff today.
Who's that beautiful boy?
I still can't get the
All
lawnmower.
right, here we
on.
go.
It does the same shit. Starts up and kicks off.
Da-da,
Even when full gas.
da-da, da-da. Mwah.
Put him on camera. He doesn't smile as much.
He's seeing himself. He doesn't know what to think. Look at him. He said, I'm so gorgeous.
Got
I'm so gorgeous. Yes, I am.
Don't knock my kid off the table, fatty. Look at Penny. She's like, I want to get up there.
Three generations.
And a dog. No.
What's she saying? I love my Liam and my Noah.
Sarah, look.
Penny, where are you? Oh,
My nephew likes Twizzlers. Look at this. I see you eating it.
Two purple.
Candyland. What's the matter?
1, 2.
What's that face for?
I'm afraid I'm not gonna win.
Hey, it's the beginning of the game.
Hey, if you're not first, you're last.
you have a fork on your beard. It's a fork.
It's a pick.
Your mother has a fork in her beard.
I don't have a beard. All right, whose turn is it? Yours.
I went.
Oh, you went?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
Matt,
your
it's my turn. Let's see.
Bro, do you know your nuts?
I got the lollipop.
So lobby.
Oh,
I knew you like black nuts.
I don't know why I threw that to you, but you can have this.
Matt, your turn.
Oh, all 3 of them?
Yeah.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
This is bullshit.
Don't say that. That's a cocky word.
No,
That's
it's not.
right.
That's called, it's
What
bull's
was the
poop.
only one?
Only my mom and dad are supposed to say.
They're not supposed to say it either. We're not supposed to say cocky words.
Say we're adults. Uncle Matt's not.
Go ahead, you go.
All right, your turn, baby.
My turn.
Matt, did you go?
Yeah, just-
Liam, you're so funny.
Honey, you're only supposed to take one card.
So,
That's what
how do you
I
do
Two
this?
blues. Go ahead.
Okay, so go 1 blue,
Blue.
2 blue.
Yay, look.
We gotta get the ear.
Yeah.
Okay, Liam, Matt, Mom, Grandma. All right, go ahead, Liam.
Liam, what color are you?
He's poop.
Keep the yellow.
All right, go first. Go first, creepy.
You're so cute.
No, not that one!
Scared the crap out of them.
I think that was the point.
Can we
Fucking cheater.
double purple? Okay, Grandma do it for you.
You're a cheater.
1, 2.
I'm gonna take your sunglasses
They're not
off.
sunglasses,
Uncle
buddy.
Matt.
I'm gonna dip you. Alright, double purple there, I say.
Here. Dang it.
This game fucking sucks.
Skip.
I'll show you. Don't stress. Don't believe me, just watch.
No thanks.
Damn it. Yellow.
Good thing I have a yellow. I don't know how to do that back and forth again. Oh, you mother. Ah, you can't go that.
Yeah.
Stop.